From the top of the world where you are afloat, you can see your own world down below. Grand View-7, where a utopian community of over 700 families are already living in absolute harmony. This is the latest creation by the triumvirate, Tyagi Properties, G. Mittal and Trimurti Group, whose joint vision has added this architectural gem to their township, which is already equipped with all the infrastructure that modern housing deserves. Its proximity to the highway makes it a special location, which has easy access to the city without being part of the chaos.